OptimizePress versus Thrive Architect. Which one is the best landing page software? That's what we're going to dive into today. Both of these tools are popular for building landing pages, but which one truly deserves your investment? Stick around, and I'll share my honest take on them, along with an alternative that might surprise you. First, let's start with OptimizePress. This tool has been around for a while and has earned a reputation for its ability to create high-converting landing pages quickly. The editor is fairly straightforward, but it's not as flexible as some might hope. While the templates are decent, there's a limitation in customization. You can get the basics done, but if you want anything a bit more advanced, you'll hit some walls. If you're someone who values simplicity over complexity, OptimizePress might suit your needs. But it's not exactly the most modern tool in terms of features. Next, we have Thrive Architect. Right off the bat, you'll notice it's more visually dynamic compared to OptimizePress. The editor is more intuitive and offers a ton of flexibility. You can easily create beautiful pages using its drag-and-drop interface, and the pre-built templates are better, offering a modern, clean look. That said, the learning curve is a bit steeper. If you're new to landing page builders, you might find yourself frustrated at first. However, once you get the hang of it, you'll appreciate the added flexibility Thrive Architect offers. Now, let's talk performance. OptimizePress does offer decent performance, but some users have reported that it can slow down over time, especially as you add more content or complex elements to your pages. This might be a deal breaker if you're trying to create high-performance, fast-loading pages. Thrive Architect, on the other hand, is generally more optimized for speed, and you can expect faster load times with your landing pages. But no software is perfect, and Thrive Architect does occasionally suffer from lagging, especially when you work with a heavy page or a lot of media. The fourth thing to consider is integrations. Thrive Architect offers a solid range of integrations with third-party tools, including email marketing platforms, CRMs, and analytics tools. OptimizePress has integrations, but they're not as extensive, especially with newer platforms. If your landing pages need to connect with a variety of services, Thrive might have the edge here. Another factor to consider is the cost. OptimizePress is more affordable for the entry-level user, and you get a lot of value for your money. It's a one-time payment, which could be appealing for users who don't want ongoing subscription costs. Thrive Architect, however, is part of Thrive Suite, which is a subscription model. It's pricier, but comes with a variety of additional tools that are great if you want an all-in-one suite. The subscription model might feel like more of an investment, but if you plan on using several of their tools, the value could be there. Finally, let's get to the part I'm sure you've been waiting for. Which one is truly better? Both OptimizePress and Thrive Architect are solid tools, but after trying them both and testing out alternatives, I'd recommend considering something else for your landing page needs. They both do the job, but if you want a smoother experience and better features overall, there's a platform that outshines both of them. The softwares mentioned in this video are good, but if you're looking for a better alternative that actually brings results and is worth every penny, I suggest checking out the first link in the description. It'll give you the best free trial and exclusive benefits only available to our viewers. Trust me, once you try it, you'll see why it's a better option. Don't miss out on this. Click the link and start your free trial today.